I want to take a step back and talk just for a few minutes about the world we're living in and a new exciting initiative. So one of the biggest and most heavily covered issues today is content authenticity and trust. How do we discern whether an image or video is real and how it has been edited? In short, can we trust what we see? And there is no perfect solution for this issue. I mean, an Adobe can't solve the problem alone. Addressing it will require action from a broad set of technology companies and content publishers, like news sites and, of course, social networks. And, of course, all of us. I mean, the viewers of this content have a responsibility as well. But today, we have an exciting announcement to share. In combination with Twitter and the New York Times, we're announcing the Content Authenticity Initiative. Together, we're developing an industry-wide standard to allow creators to put their mark on their work and have that attribution accompany that piece of content across different platforms, posts, and stories. Here's a sample of how a system might look in Photoshop. If you choose to opt in, the system can record what you do to a piece of work, what edits you make to an image, and what effects you apply. And then people who come across it on a website like Behance or another platform can easily view the information about who created it, where the image or video came from, and how it was edited. And that way, you have the information as a viewer to judge the trustworthiness of the content, and content creators can be assured of getting credit for their work. Of course, we know that not everyone will share attribution data, but we believe that a lot of creators will be happy to provide this information, and over time, consumers will come to expect content to come with attribution. There is still a lot to figure out about the technical details and what will make the system most effective, but this is an issue that we are committed to addressing. We will be kicking off this initiative with a technical summit with relevant industry stakeholders in the coming months, and you can go to the URL above to learn more and join the conversation. But our goals here are really pretty simple. We want to ensure that you get credit for your work. We want to help everyone evaluate the authenticity of the content that they see. It will be a long journey, but we are getting started now. I wanted to share that with you.